Hello and welcome back to the channel. This is one of the last videos you'll see with the ID.4 as foreshadowing we are selling the vehicle. So today I'm going to show two key maintenance items that are real easy DIY projects. One is changing the wipers. You might think that's really easy, but there's actually a setting we have to go push in on the menu and the infotainment that allows the wipers to be changed, because if we go here and try to lift the wiper, you see it hits here against the hood. See that? No. So and the other project we'll do is we'll change the cabin air filter. Since there's really no other maintenance on this car, you can't rotate the tires since they have staggered tire sizes. There's no oil changes or things like that. The main two items is just you have to change your wipers and replace your cabin filter. So we'll show you how to do those two things today. So first, we'll take a dive in the infotainment really quick and go and show how to put the wipers in the service position. All right, let's go inside. So there's two ways to put the car into the service position for the wipers. First, we'll go ahead and start the car, which, as you know from our videos, takes about a minute for it to boot up. Open the sun, since open the roof because there's no sun today. Welcome to Illinois in June. All right, so we dive in here to Vehicle. And then we go to Vehicle again. And when we swipe to the left once, that brings up the service position. So we press that, and the wipers come up. I'll show you another way you can do it too. If you happen to be driving, I gotta put my seatbelt on real quick. And I put the car in park. As soon as I unbuckle, it is one of the presettings. So you can have the climate control stay on. You can set up your timed climate control. For example, I have it set up to go off Monday morning. Or I could do wipers in the service position, which just blacked out as soon as I went to push it. Figures. All right, so let's go put it back in the service position and we'll change the wipers. Okay. So you just lift it up, push the button, and then they pop right out, just like that. Now we're selling the car, so we're not replacing the wipers today. And the new wipers just pop right in like that. So when you push them in, down, they click in, you'll see this pops into its place. And that's it. It's that simple. Easy peasy. Now let's show how to change the cabin air filter. So to get to the cabin air filter, we just pop the hood, which is pulling this lever. And then we come over to unlatch the hood. This has the old prop style hood stand. so then we just come here. You see these two little tabs down here? So you just pull this cover off of the tabs. It's a little bit of a tight fit. Come on. There we go. So we lift that up. Then we take this cover, which has this little handle right here. We pull that out. Again, it's for how little is under the hood, it's pretty amazing how small the workspace is. And here's the cabin filter, which, as you can see, ours is disgusting. So we'll pull it out and show you how bad it looks and why it's important to change it. So look at all the pollen. This was supposed to be a white, supposed to be this color, or like the backside. But instead, it is disgusting. Good from all the trips that we've done. We're selling the car, so we're not replacing this today, but it is definitely due to be replaced. And then the new one just slides right back into this place. And then take the cover, put that back on. Come on. There we go. That clicks. Then take this cover and just put it back on these two clips. One down there and the other down there. And it's that easy. And that's something a dealer probably would have charged $60 to $100 to do. The part only costs 20 bucks, 20 to 30 bucks, depends on where you buy it from. But yeah, it's a pretty simple process. And just like that, all the maintenance for the Volkswagen ID.4 is complete. So if you found this video helpful, please do like the video and make sure to subscribe. There's tons of road trips and other content we've done on the ID.4. We've had it for 13 months now. It's been quite a ride. We're going to have a full wrap-up video for how 32,000 miles and 13 months of owning the car has been, as well as a who we ended up selling the car to. We'll do a whole video on that whole process. So make sure to, like I said, subscribe. It's free to subscribe, and stay in the loop for future content coming. And you'll even get to see what our next car is. We don't know what it is yet either, so it'll be a big surprise. Take care till next time.